Once here, we can use the vehicle selector. For this demonstration, we'll be using a 2010 Ford F-150. Select. Now, as you can see, we have a few different options: repair, maintenance, labor estimating, bulletins and recalls. Now we're going to click on repair. And for this demonstration, we're going to be replacing the brakes. The front brakes, to be exact. Removal and installation. Brake pads. And that brings us to a page with a few cautionary warnings and step-by-step instructions on how to replace your front brake pads on your 2010 Ford F-150. Now for some maintenance on your Ford F-150. Here you can put in all the information on your truck model, or click here for a full list of all submodels. For this demonstration, we're going to be clicking the first one, truck usage, normal. And this will bring up a full list of everything that you should inspect the next time you pop open the hood. And for anyone wishing to pursue an automotive career, Chilton Library also has Automotive Service Excellence Test Prep Quizzes. And these quizzes cover everything from automotive engine repair, transmission, suspension, electrical, and AC and heating. Everything you would need to get your automotive service excellence certification.